Hello guys, welcome to Desert Media Production. My name is Day and today we are reviewing a bunch of products. So, what is it all about? It's the good quality audio and video accessories for your YouTube streaming. So, let's get into it. Good quality audio, good quality video. That's what everybody wants, isn't it? Doing live streaming, you really need some good accessories to have that awesome stuff. From going from this, from muffled voice, shaking hands, sore biceps and triceps and all the rest of it, to this. See how that works and what quality of video we can create and whether it's better here or there or underneath or away from you or close to you. I don't know, maybe. So I actually got some nice stuff so we can handle our live streaming outdoors and indoors. Let's talk about live streaming and iPhone accessories that make our life easier when doing videoing or even interviewing and things like that. What is the first thing you want to do when you have iPhone? You wish you have something that you can actually connect your microphone with your charger on it, so you can have the freedom of extra hours, but also have a good quality of audio. Right. So I found a little tiny small thing called lightning splitter, and allows you to do that. Exactly that. You can connect your microphone on it, and you can connect your battery pack at the same time, so you can charge while live streaming and also have a good audio microphone or lapel microphone, whatever you want. So let's get into this. So this is ordered from Amazon. I'll put all the links where I bought it, so if you want to have a look at it and see if you like it, so buy it. So this is of course made in China, and it's called a lightning splitter, right? So lightning splitter for iPhone, and this is what exactly it is. The box is and packaging is really huge and sturdy for such a small item. And we got this one down here. I know it's gonna be a couple of things falling out of my hands because it's so small and fidgety. And we're doing upright review today. Nice and sturdy. It's not floppy and fidgety. It actually looks nice. So what am I gonna put in there? And this is the next product, and it's really nice. It's the interview pack, lapel interview pack. Speed up the process a little bit here. It comes in a little box, and the box is a little bit flimsy, so I had a bit of a show around, but I'll speed it up for you. What's in there? We have the lightning extension. That lightning extension goes into this is for our earphones, right? And that goes into here, into this part where audio part is. Next one, you have an extension lead for one of the lapel microphones. Then you have a dual extension, which is you can have this plugged in the extension right there in the lightning rod. So now you can have two microphones, one for the interviewer, one for the guest. And then we have a mic. Okay, this is a simple mic, lapel mic, with a clip. Right, so the one microphone goes into one end, and it should be another one in there. Yep, the same thing, same size. Goes into another one. So this is how it looks like. So you have your extender, you have your converter, you have your jack splitter, and you have your two microphones. What else is in this box? It's like a lucky dip. Right, there's another extender. Yeah, so you have two extension leads on it. Very, very, very handy. Okay, what else we got there? There's a little tiny box pouch. It looks like it's the extra windshield for your microphone, and extra connector, single connector. That's the single connector, and here we have a double connector, and that's what comes as well, that little microfiber cloth. Right, so if we connect our charging cable, good, charging cable into our lighting side of it, right here, it should start charging. Boom, it's charging. You're not gonna hold this in your hand while you're filming, are you? All these cables and stuff. Dave has a solution as well. Don't stress about that. I ordered this one, and I don't know really. It's like a selfie tripod. Very lightweight. It's not heavy. It's really, you can just really good one. Oh, hello. So, what do we have in the box? Oh no, in the bag. Right, okay. This is what I'm talking about. This is the holder up on top. Right? And this is how it looks like. I'll give you a more detailed overview if you wish in the next video, just one by one, but yeah. So that is that it's what it is. And there is a screw right here that you can tighten up, that doesn't flip back on you. But guess what? It's got a remote control on there as well. Remote control for your phone, so you can actually start and stop while, yeah, okay. So the head, so I'm gonna bring this back up. So it's this one here, this screw here, it's really small comparing to what they could have put. Just a little bit bigger size would have been probably better and easier to access because of that box right there. But hey, who complains for the price of it? And the head, nice. I like that. I like it. It's not very flimsy or one that is. Do you know those little clicks that you can stop on different angles? It's really nice and tight. I like it. Really nice. And it holds quite well. It's not much room that wiggles. Hey, I've used so many different tripods, and I'll show you the one that I love the most. But you know, when it comes to quality, this is something that is really, really impressive. I like that. Right. And the holder for your phone. Right, okay. So you got your double extension. Say you want to use this position, so you can actually use this roller there and actually tightens this up halfway. You don't have to screw it all the way through. Oh yeah, nice look, nice work. It's a lift up and close. So when you lift it up, you just twist it and it keeps going. So when you're done at the end, you just twist it in one side and it locks it everything. So when you're finished, you just unlock it on opposite side and it pushes every single segment in. Nice work. So you're done. You twist it anti-clockwise and it closes and it stays there, and you can use it as your selfie stick. Haha, like it. And when you want it, you open up, and every single section extends. Right, nice work. So far, I can see that there's a lot of potential in this one, and the quality is not that bad. Certain parts are a little bit like these legs. You can feel it's aluminium, very thin aluminium legs. It's got these plastic stoppers. They're not rubber, they're plastic. It should be rubbery. Yeah, it's soft plastic. It's not rubber, it's soft plastic. And this is interesting. This is the remote control I've been talking about. So you have to pair this remote control to your phone. I haven't done that, of course. So I will have to do it and check it out for you guys. This is pretty decent. Yeah, the legs are a little bit flimsy, and the connections, the brass rings, I don't know how long that's gonna last. Couple of good hits and Bob's your uncle. Right, okay, so it's time to test it. Let's see how it looks. The footprint is pretty great, and I wouldn't mind if it's a little bit taller, probably just for one segment. But hey, no reason to complain for the price. It's okay. I like it. It'll do the job. Well, in all honesty, it doesn't look too bad. Yes, it is very lightweight. Yes, it can move with the movement of your microphone. So, is it a professional tool that I'm talking about? The stand? No. Is it a helping tool? Yes. This is a granddaddy of all my tripods. Who placed this? It's not moving anywhere. But you can't take this everywhere and hold it like a selfie. Hello people, what's up? I mean, yeah. This is Bender, I say. And it's designed for heavy duty stuff, and it's absolutely phenomenal. If you want to invest in your tripods, this is a tripod you want to invest in. It's really phenomenal stuff. But yeah, if you want to do it for your iPhone, I think they'll do the trick. This one will do the trick. We'll go outside, we'll do some extra testing on the second time, see how that works and what quality of video we can create, and whether it's better here or there or underneath or away from you or close to you. I don't know, maybe, we'll double check that, but everything else sounds like a brilliant plan. Right, what do you reckon? That's good enough? Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinion. If you have any questions, ask, and I will answer those questions promptly and immediately. Let's see if we didn't forget anything. But yeah, those are 3 accessories that I wanted to show you for a long time and I didn't have a chance and opportunity. Guys, if you like the video, please give us likes and shares on your social networks with your friends and family. Also subscribe if you didn't have a chance to do so. We greatly appreciate your support, and up until the next video, please take care of yourself and each other.